Welcome back. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. The Acton III delivers 60 watts of powerful stereo sound with an improved, wider sound stage compared to previous generations. The audio is rich, detailed, and well-balanced, perfect for rock, pop, jazz, and acoustic tracks. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable wireless connectivity, and setup is extremely simple. Just pair and play. There's also a 3.5mm AUX input for wired devices. Marshall also focused on sustainability, using 70% recycled plastic while keeping its iconic amplifier-style design. If sound quality and design matter to you, the Acton III is an excellent premium speaker for your home or office. Check the description for current deals, and subscribe for more premium audio reviews.